How's it going, everyone? It's Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be small scale group build and Dan the Man. So before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This little redneck from Arkansas, we're not going to ask you for a dime. I don't need to grow. I don't have Patreons, and I don't even know what all them things are. I don't have none of that stuff. I don't do the Instas, whatever. I don't do nothing. It's just YouTube, guys. So if you want to find me and get a hold of me, I always leave a link in the description below. And if I mention anybody in my videos, I always leave their link in the description below, guys. And yeah, thank you. Appreciate you. All right, let's get this thing started. All right, let's see here. What did I do today? Well, first of all, let's address this. Dan the Man is back. Guys, get over there and resubscribe to Dan the Man. I can't stress this enough. He had 2, 3, however many thousand subscribers before his channel was taken down, guys. And he put his video back up a couple days ago, our new channel back up. And we've been trying to reach out and get everybody to get the word out. Everybody, if you're watching my video, you got a channel, get the word out. Dan's got his channel back. And it's the 60s Rule channel. That's how you find it. I will link it below. And, and he also is the co-host of our group build. This is me and Dan's group build. We both love small scale. It's our passion. We love them. And Dan the Man is really the man when it comes to small scale. Show him the love and resubscribe. And if you ain't got a YouTube channel and you're subscribed to me, go subscribe to Dan the Man. That's all I'm asking for, guys. I'm sure he'll have his video up today if he ain't already had it, because mine will be up 9 o'clock, whatever it is, like I always do. This February 1st, this is the start of the group build, guys, the small scale group build. The smallest scale for the smallest month. It's not the size that matters, it's how you build it. All right, guys, so Dan the Man, get over there and subscribe to his new channel. Get over there, show him the love, support. And also, me and Dan both, on this group build, the only thing we ask is please, when you tag your video or do it in the description or do it in the intro, probably the intro of the video, please put Small Scale Group Build 2025. That way we can, I can't even say what I'm going to say. Tell it apart from past year's group build. That way it'd be easier for us to find it. And at the end of this group build too, guys, leave me or Dan both just a picture of your final build, and we'll try to get videos up at the end of it. It'll probably be a month or two later, because it takes a while to do those things, especially get everybody to get there's a lot of people in this group build to get their video of their final in. That way we can, or a picture for us. And yeah, that's all I'm asking for. And if you don't want to, that's fine. You don't have to. I mean, we're just something we thought would be pretty neat to do. And then two, let's see, I got a list so far, and there's too many on here to name. And Dan's got a list, and we still haven't got together. We've been talking a lot, and we still ain't got together to get our list together. But he's got some that I ain't got, and I got some that he ain't got. And there's a whole list right there. There's 40-something, 50 people right there, and like I said, if you tag it, I'll probably find more people that I didn't know about too that's in it. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, that's cool. You can be from Facebook, Instagram, all them other, we don't care. Just either email Dan or email me. Our links are always usually in our description. And I know it is in mine for sure. And all we need is just a picture of the model that you're going to build and the final. That's it. That's all we need. We don't need anything in between, just that. That's all we need, guys. And appreciate you. So, let's see. Yeah, I think that's all the updates I'm going to do because I've not done nothing on the Big Rig Group build. Let's see. Can't remember. I don't know if I've gotten anything in. No, I haven't really got nothing in. And I want to thank. Friday was my birthday, and Justin at J Hart Models, that's his birthday too. We both had birthdays, but everybody reached out to me and said happy birthday. Thank you. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Love you guys. All right, let me just turn this camera around here and show you what I got going on. All right, I've started on mine today since this is February 1st. And y'all remember, this is the model I'm building. And I kind of decided to go with that color. That, to me, it don't look like yellow. It looks to me like a kind of a goldish color. And I was going to go with blue. I changed my mind on it. I didn't want to go with blue because I didn't want to open a fresh can of Tamiya blue for that itty bitty body. Guys, yeah, I'm cheap one. So I had some of that Inca gold, which is pretty close. I mean, it's not quite, but I don't care. You know, I'm not no rivet counter. So I'm going with the gold. And I will be using the white stripes because it is going to be a race car, of course. Number 17, that's my number. And that's the way I'm going to go with that. And the only thing I've gotten done today is just paint this body. That is it. Y'all can see right there. That's all I've managed to do. Other than I am going to wire it up. You can't see this, I don't think. There we go. You can see I don't have wire small enough, so I had to use actual wire. And yeah, I got to paint that intake, and then I'll have to paint the wires to it. But I'm actually going to try to wire this itty bitty engine up, guys. I'm going to try it. I'm going to attempt it. And what I mean by itty bitty, look how small that engine block is right there. Look at that. Look at my finger. Look. Look how small. Yeah, y'all might think I'm stupid or crazy and stupid. But I'm going to try it, guys. And the only thing I've done here is paint the wheel back right here for the wire wheel. That way, when you look through, and I got one of them done. If I can get that, you know, guys, I really should have stuff like this already done. But, you know, that's kind of the way I do things. I don't do what I should do half the time that would make my life easier. Instead, I got to make my life harder. But here you go. You can see with that black in the background, that really makes that wheel pop. I still have to put the knockoff on it. But, man, that is going to be sweet. Yes, this little old thing is 1/43 scale, guys. And it has photo etched grill parts. You can see right here, look at that. It's got a photo etched dash, grill. I mean, it's just the wire wheels. It's unreal. Lots of detail for such a small kit. And that just goes to prove to you guys right there that the scale doesn't matter. What does matter, I guess, you know, a lot of us older people have bad eyesight, but it's still fun to build, and you don't have to put a lot of detail into them. You can just do whatever, you know, but it sure is fun. I got some past small scale builds here. I got a Vauxhall right there, Viva, and then I popped the engine. I made me an engine for it, and I opened the hood. Let's see. I did the same thing with that Airfix. What is that thing? That's a Bug-Eyed Sprite. Doug Hensley gifted me that kit, and I popped the bonnet on it and opened it up and did the engine on it. There's a small scale. I think I did that for Al Wood Appreciation build one time. That's 132 scale Matchbox car. I got a 132 scale Matchbox. That's got an engine. I even wired the engine on this one too, guys. There's the 132 Terrell truck that hauls this car. There's a Ford Escort Airfix. Even got the guy in it. Man, I love the small scale. Like I said, there's a small scale MGB that I built probably 30 years ago. Yeah, love the small scale, guys. All right, I'm just rambling now, so I'm just going to shut up and let you guys go. Like I said, the big rig, that's all I've gotten done still to it. Nothing else. So, hey, I'll let you guys go. Bye.